Hello lovely yogi, welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya and today I'm bringing you a summer yin yoga sequence. Yin yoga is perfect to practice in the summer because yin is a cooling practice, so it brings that balance with the heat of summer. Yin yoga is also a much slower practice, which again brings balance of all of the activity of summer. The postures we'll be practicing today will focus on the heart and small intestine meridian lines, which are associated with the fiery heat of summer. So if you're ready to cool down and relax with some yin yoga, come flow with me. Today's practice, you do not require any props. However, if you have them and if you usually find them helpful, you can always grab a block or two, a bolster, and a blanket. Throughout this practice, I'm going to try to give you minimal cues and leave you with silence so you can really dive in to your inner wisdom, your inner self. We'll begin in butterfly pose. Bring the soles of your feet together, let your knees fall wide. Find your sit bones firmly on the mat. You can keep your heels as far away or as close to your body as you need to. Take a moment to lengthen your spine. And then begin to hinge at the hips as you fold forward. You can place your forearms on the mat, on your calves, on your thighs, wherever they land. Find your appropriate edge, and then come into stillness. You can even use a block to support your forehead here. Wherever you are, tune in to your breath. Gently engage your core as you press yourself up back into a seat. Place any props off to the side and bring your knees together and take a few slow, gentle windshield wipers here. Release your body out of that shape. When you're ready, swing your legs behind you and make your way onto your belly. Bring your elbows underneath your shoulder. Let your legs go out long. Bring your toes to the outer edges of your mat. And take a moment to adjust here. And then lift and open up your heart. Sphinx Pose. If you feel any tension in your shoulders, you can send your elbows just slightly forward. Release any clenching in your jaw. Release any clenching in your glutes. Really soften your body into your mat. Just 3 to 5 more breaths. On an exhale, let your elbows go wide, stack your palms, and let your forehead rest on the backs of your palms. Take a few rounds of breath in this space. When you're ready, press yourself up into all fours and then make your way into a seat facing the long edge of your mat. We'll be taking wide leg forward fold next. If you have a blanket here, it might be helpful to roll it up and then sit on the edge and slide slightly off to tilt your pelvis forward to help you in your forward fold. As you find your sit bones firmly on the mat, inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhale as you fold forward, hinging at the hips, reaching your chest forward. Again, go just as far as is appropriate for you during this practice. You can always use a bolster as a place to rest your arms. And again, if you have a block, this comes in handy as a place to rest your forehead on top of your bolster. Once you've found your appropriate edge, return to your breath and return to stillness. Exhale, gently engage your core, and inhale your torso up. Remove any props out of the way. Again, moving gently and taking your time. Next, bend your left knee, bringing the left heel into your right inner thigh. Turn your chest towards your left knee, and then bend over towards your right leg, stretching out and opening up the left side of your body here. Option to place a bolster or block on the inside of your right leg as a place to rest your elbow. Option to rest your head in your right palm. The left arm can rest on top of your head, or you can bring it behind your back if that left shoulder is feeling too much intensity here. Focus on keeping the heart open as you breathe into the left side of your body. On your next breath, turn your left shoulder in towards the center. Move your body into the center and then up. We'll take that same stretch on the opposite side. So straightening out the left leg, bending the right knee, bring the right heel into your left inner thigh. Take a moment to sit up nice and tall. Then turn your chest towards your right knee. As you inhale, bend towards your left leg. Take the right arm up and over. Again, find any placement of props that you need to support you here. Then place your palms wherever you need to. Again, the right arm can dangle over your head or come behind your back.
As you exhale, turn your right shoulder in, walk your palms to the center, and then lift your torso up. Again, remove any props out of the way, and then find your way onto your back, moving gently, going at your own pace. Once you've found your way onto your back, take your heels as wide as your mat. Let your knees fall in towards each other. Take your arms up overhead, elbows soft. Passive rest pose. This will be our final resting pose. Take a deep breath in and let it all go. When you're ready, gently blink your eyes open. Roll over onto one side. Take a breath or two and pause here. And then inhale as you press yourself up into a seat. Take any seat that's comfortable for you. Bring the palms to heart center. Take a deep breath in. Open your mouth and let it all go. Namaste.
I hope you enjoyed that flow, and if you did, please be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. It always means a lot to me when you share my videos because it helps my channel grow and it helps more people find my videos. If you do share this on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. You can find more yin yoga practices for summer over in my yin yoga playlist. You'll also find vinyasa yoga and gentle relaxing yoga flows on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.